Welcome to UltraShip in a Flash. In just 60 seconds, let's learn what log activity is and how to use it in UltraShip CRM. Log activity helps you track your progress with a shipper or carrier prospect. You can record how you contacted them, the outcome, the date and time, and add conversation notes for future reference. To log an activity, go to CRM and select the prospect by clicking on the PR ID. Here you will find the Log Activity button in the Activities box. On clicking on it, a pop-up window will appear. Here, you can fill in the details of the interaction with your prospect. When we select the first option, Type, you'll see that each type of contact requires different information to be filled in. Then fill in the details as per the contact you made. And you can also add key details of the conversation in the Notes section. And if you want to follow up, simply check the Follow Up task box and set a date. Once done, click Save, and your activity is now logged, helping you track progress and move your prospect closer to becoming a shipper or a carrier.